Phonics lesson 161. Look at A. Read the words in the first two rows. In all of these words, you hear the sh sound. Assurance, pressure, sugar, sure, surely, tissue. Look at the next two rows. What do these words have in common in these two rows? They all have the all sound. Bald, Baltimore, false, halt, malt, salt. Let's write the new word. Loud plus louder, louder. Noisy plus est. Remember when a word ends in a Y and you add the suffix, you need to change the Y to I before you add est or any suffix. Noisy, you add the I and then est. So we got rid of the Y and we added an I before adding est, noisiest. Sharing. Remember, when you have a silent E, you drop the E before adding your suffix. Sharing. Share. Drop the E and add I-N-G. Sharing. Whisper plus ed. Whispered. All right. I'm going to say some sentences or phrases, and I want you to tell me, are they complete sentences or are they phrases that I'm saying? The first one, been to Alaska? That's incomplete. That's not a sentence. We could make it a sentence by saying, have you ever been to Alaska? Listen to this one. Is this a complete sentence or just a phrase? Ride the train. It's incomplete. You might make that a sentence by saying, I would like to ride the train. Listen, we will see tall mountains. Is that a complete sentence? Yes, it is. Covered with snow. Incomplete. That's just a phrase. We could say the tall mountains are covered with snow. That would be a complete sentence. Listen, we will leave at 11 o'clock. That's complete. What time is it now? That is a complete sentence. Eat in the dining car. That's not a complete sentence. That's, I would like to eat in the dining car would be a complete sentence. Riding in the dome car. Riding in the dome car is interesting. Have you ever read something in a book and wanted to know more about it? Maybe you read about something and wondered what it was. In the back of some books is a special part called a glossary. A glossary is sort of like a dictionary, but instead of giving a definition, it gives information. In the back of our phonics and language book, there is a glossary. It has information about some of the things you have seen on your work pages as we have learned about the pond, world, jungle, and camping. The words we look up in the glossary are also called entry words and are in ABC order, just like the dictionary. go ahead and take out your classwork and seat work, and we'll look at the glossary on another video.